I got something to say and I don't want to ruin the rest of your day, but don't know the fucking migraine over. Fifteen ain't jumping out, no it was no one, so ain't the job, but don't aim the dog with the police. Wanna make them a talking about the nonsense that's fueled by injustice. Idiot break, I don't know what to do. Smoke weed, pet dogs. Smoke weed, pet dogs. Cops and bosses of all dogs and goons are hook. All these doggy morons in my neighbourhood. Dogs that couldn't consent, they've been forced in. Enslaving dirt man, their friends. To your boys, worst enemy, they're bringing me out of station after the session. But no one protecting sticky kids in possession. Turn a loyal companion into an offer of plant. So we live in a world where we can't smoke weed, pet dogs. Smoke weed, pet dogs. I know it's such a fun, they got this system from my truck like it's turning to my source, and I know that you'd rather be playing in the pocket than I'm listening to my home, and I'm not letting you go, and I'm not the lifestyle in my draws, most of the laws